the move lower in retail today, realistic here? Were hopes too high with this phase one trade talk that we got on Friday?
Well, we thought the long nightmare was over, right? That we were going to not have any higher tariffs and that we were going to push out the December 15th tariffs forever. And now maybe we're not. So, yeah, I think that probably it's very normal what happened Friday. It's very normal what happened today. But I think the real story here is we're probably going to see relief on the tariffs. We're probably not going to see that 25 go to 30%. We're probably not going to see the December 15th tariffs kick in. We're going to declare some kind of truce or victory here. And the retail stocks are probably going to benefit from that because that was one of the big things overhanging the stock. The other thing we were all worried about was recession. That looks a lot less likely with the Fed now on our side again, and also with much less concern. You see forecasts right now coming out at 4.5% to 5% for Christmas sales growth. That'd be fabulous.
Yeah, especially as we come into that holiday shopping season. What do you think the winners and losers will be as we finish out 2019 and then go into next year?
No, I'm very optimistic on the back end of the year. I'm totally in sync with Deloitte on their 4.5% to 5% growth rate, and that's basically because I think the consumer is very, very healthy. We're still adding jobs even though we're at full employment. We're seeing 3 to 3.5% growth, non-supervisory personnel income. When you get things like that, and when you get the consumer saying, we're going to spend 12% more this Christmas on gifts than last Christmas, when they start telling you they're going to buy more gifts and a lot more gifts, that means they feel pretty darn good about their lives. And it doesn't really much matter why they feel better about their lives. They spend money because they're also not overly burdened. The savings rate is still running in the 8% rate. They're not getting hurt as far as indebtedness.
Jan, I wonder, do you think the consumer at large knows that a trade war is even going on?
Well, no, I don't think the consumer at large does, but I think the market at large did, and I think the market was really worried about retail stocks. I think the consumer at large just watches prices, and they haven't seen anything happen in prices despite the tariffs. So, no, I don't think the consumer's worried about tariffs. I was worried about the stocks because of the view of the market on tariffs, and I was worried about sales and profits because I don't think they can push prices through to the consumer. But if they can't push prices through and they do get higher tariffs, they're going to have compressed earnings. So I was worried about all of that. So I think everything we've seen here is good news. The consumer's good. The tariffs seem a lot less likely.